Okay, dear friends. Let's start with one more question on environmental engineering. An air parcel having 40-degree temperature moves from ground level to 500-meter elevation in dry air. Note down this: dry air following adiabatic lapse rate. The resulting temperature of air parcel at 500-meter elevation will be. So, suppose this is your ground level and air mass is moving upwards at a height of 500 meter, right? So obviously it will cool, so it will lose its temperature. So at present the temperature is 40 degree centigrade at ground level, so obviously it will be less. Now we have to see that the term adiabatic lapse rate they have given. So adiabatic means the heat. Adiabatic, you know the meaning, that heat is neither gained or lost. Okay, so the system is intact. Now what happens? It is dry air. So here you have to consider two case: adiabatic, dry adiabatic lapse rate. See, you have to remember two things. Here we will be applying only one dry adiabatic lapse rate. It is almost around 9 degree centigrade per kilometer. 9.8, rather to be very specific, it is 9.8 degree per kilometer. And wet adiabatic lapse rate, it is almost 6 degrees centigrade per kilometer. So suppose if they are talking about wet is also sometimes they are calling as saturated. Okay, so 6 degree centigrade per kilometer, and dry adiabatic means per kilometer, means 1000 meter. If this air mass is rising for 1000 meter, the drop in temperature will be almost 9.8 degrees centigrade. Okay, so here in this question we will be following this dry adiabatic lapse rate is applicable. Okay, so let's find out. So for 1000 meter dry adiabatic lapse rate is 9.8. Okay, so they are asking for 500 meter. So 500 meter, obviously it will be half. It will be 9.8. So it will be 4.9 degree drop. So 4.9 degree drop means 40 degree centigrade minus 4.9 degree centigrade. So 40 minus 4.9, it is almost 35.1 degree centigrade. Okay, so this is the answer. So at 500 meter, the temperature will be 35.1 degree centigrade. Okay, thank you very much.